Hi, Oscar from ACG here. We're at Canterbury Boys High School to pick up a student for work experience. Come with me.
The partnership with ACG Air Conditioning has meant that our boys have really come out of their shell. They've done the work experience and they've seen the real world, and they are now developing skills they know they need to be successful for life after school, and that's an important part of the transition into the workforce.
Arthur, I'm here to pick you up for work experience, mate. First thing we're going to do is go to the warehouse. Hopefully we can teach you a thing or two.
My son, he enjoyed his time out at ACG Air under the tutelage of Andrew Cassis, and it really gave him something to look forward to in the future. He's actually now looking at doing air conditioning, and I cannot thank the guys at ACG enough.
All right, we'll grab your shirt and then we'll get started.
Awesome.
There you go.
So the things that I learned at ACG was I learned to have a bit of confidence in working in a workplace. I saw the work environment and realized difficulties of people. Advantages where I got to see the real world, what it's like, how adults work.
All right, so this is a Dakin split system that we're going to be installing together later on in the week. But for now, just familiarise yourself with the layout, you know, get used to where everything is, and before you know it, it'll become like the back of your hand.
As a result of the work experience with ACG Air Conditioning, I can see a huge change in the boys' personality. They're starting to come out of their shell, they're developing confidence. They now know they have the skills and abilities to go into the workforce and interact with adults and customers. So it's been a tremendous benefit, and we're seeing that day to day throughout the school.
They get to learn and see that an apprenticeship is a viable career option where one can have a successful career with great earning potential and job prospects.
Nice work, buddy. First thing we're going to learn is filter cleaning. So this is a standard split system. You just grab the sides, lifts up. We take out these filters one by one, and as you can see, we've got quite a lot of dirt on these ones, so they are well overdue for a clean. So we'll take them outside and we'll go from there. And now we can see that it's got rid of all the dirt off it. When you compare it to one that we haven't cleaned yet, you can really see the difference.
Yeah.
And there we go, clean as a whistle. All right, and to put them back in, we just do the reverse of when we took them out. Put them into those little grooves just there. Grab the front of the unit. And there we go, all done.
Some of the things he learnt from doing work experience at ACG Air was working in and around other people. It's something he wasn't used to. Hands-on electrical work, working on ladders, not at a height, but he enjoyed the freedom of doing something he wasn't used to doing. And obviously he's a sponge at that age, and he's loved the learning facet.
I'm the principal at Canterbury Boys High School, and I'd like to personally thank, on behalf of Canterbury Boys High School, ACG Air Conditioning for our partnership. We really appreciate it, and we're looking forward to many more years to come with it.
Thank you ACG for mentoring our students during work experience.
And for us as a school, awesome to be involved with. Thank you.
You did good today, mate. I'll see you same time again tomorrow.
Thank you.